Take your dirty laundry. There's a lot to unload.
Are you coming right back?
Hi guys, this is the original pillow covers that went on this couch when I purchased the furniture set. And as you can see, the red is not my vibe. If that red was a different color like black or something like that, then maybe I would have kept the original covers for this set. But I just couldn't see myself with that red. The red was just a bit too much. So that's why I changed the covers to this. And again, I got these from Amazon. And I'll link that below if I can find it. Again, this one is original to the sofa. And I have only 2 of those that came originally all white, and these are original. I bought these at I believe I bought these at I'm trying to think Burlington. The throw I already had. A friend gifted those to me, and yeah, these are the pillow covers. As you know, they were the centerpieces were center pillows were a faux silk gold colors, which now are living in my bedroom, and that tour is coming down the road a little bit, but you will get to see where they live now. And soon you will see how I recover these chairs, and they are sitting low, so I'm trying to figure out how to raise them. So that's coming soon. And yeah, this is it for the original pillow covers, guys.